Hi, I'm Chase Gardner, and I'm going to show you how to clean Trex decking. If your deck is anything like mine, it takes a beating. Between food and drink spills, leaves and dirt buildup in between the deck boards, and the changing seasons, every deck needs a good cleaning. One of the main reasons to clean your deck is to prevent mold and mildew from forming on your deck. Plus, it will give it that fresh, clean look. To get started cleaning your deck, you'll need a household broom, a deck scrub brush, a garden hose, a bucket, and a cleaning solution. Simple soap and water will do. First, clear everything off of your deck. Start by sweeping the deck boards. If you have debris between the deck boards, use a putty knife or a screwdriver to clean out the buildup. Then, use your hose to rinse off any remaining debris on your deck. By rinsing off your deck, the deck cleaner will spread more evenly and work more effectively. Remember, using a pressure washer to clean a Trex composite deck is not recommended. This could damage the deck surface and void the Trex deck warranty, so it's best to avoid it. Next, clean the deck. You can either buy a composite deck cleaning product or make your own homemade cleaning solution. If you buy a composite deck cleaner, then follow the instructions on the bottle. The deck we are cleaning is from the Trex Transcend product line. Trex recommends using warm soapy water and a soft bristle deck brush to clean this deck surface. So that's what we're going to do. One important cleaning tip is gently scrubbing the deck so you don't damage the deck surface. Now that the deck is cleaned, I'm going to give it a good rinse and remove the soap. Once you're done rinsing, inspect the deck and make sure there are no lasting stains, dirt, or debris left. If there is, just scrub the area and rinse again. Once your deck is cleaned, let it fully dry. Then invite your friends and family over to enjoy your new clean Trex deck. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful deck tips.